Today I am going to introduce MinIO as an alternative to AWS S3 object storage. It is native cloud storage setup actually. It's 100%. The feature is it's 100% open source, and it's really fast, and it's very robust. It's also AWS S3 compatible, API compatible system, and you can host in your own server. Because of that, it's highly secured, and also it's introduced so many security features also inbuilt, and it's highly efficient in CPU and memory usage. It took only 100 MBs for RAM usage, and CPU is very less. Consumption of CPU is very less, and it's also support containerization, those kind of things. So it's very easy to install and use it in Kubernetes-like services, and it's best suited for storing unstructured data like photos, then text, and your own cloud backups. Those things you can store it in here, and you can scale adding multiple disk using ZFS file system or something else. I'm using ZFS because this you can pool number of disk into the ZFS cluster, so you can easily scale the infrastructure. First I tried to increase the disk volume size, but unfortunately it's failed because it's taken too much time to resize the disk, those kind of things. So I thought introduce ZFS with MinIO. It's amazingly so fast, and it's perfect for me. My use case, I store daily. I'm storing more than 1 million text files using the MinIO API. So today I'm going to install the MinIO and configuring MinIO, and next videos onwards I will show how to use the different MinIO API clients in Python and Node.js. Okay, then let's go to the installation. Now I'm going to install MinIO and configuring it. So that I'm using Docker container here. There is different format available in MinIO. You can install as a binary or source file, from source file also. Here I'm using Docker because it's more comfortable to me to install and configure it. So even you can use brew package installation in Mac also. It's available as an official repo itself. So I'm going to install. So the Docker command, docker run -p. It's a default port 9000, so this is pointing the default port. Then I'm putting a name equal to my MinIO. It's the container name. Then I'm attaching the persistent disk here / uses. I already created a folder here. If you are using in production, you need to mount the volume and attach the volume. Point the volume here. Yes, sir. MinIO I created already a folder here. I'm using it. Then I'm pointing it into the data, mounting it as a data inside the Docker. Then I'm using the access key and secret. I'm creating that. Otherwise, MinIO will provide a random access key and secret. MinIO access key equal to scene, and don't use like this in production. Just this is only for demo. You need to create a better password and secret key. I mean better access key and secret in production. MinIO secret key equal to I am MinIO. Okay, so next I want to download the image, right? I'm using the latest image, MinIO/MinIO. I'm pointing to that, and then command server /data. Okay, this is a command to run the MinIO server. Oops, yeah, there's something wrong. Yeah, you didn't provide the name itself. Oh yeah, now it's okay. Now it's trying to download the image because it's not available in my local system, so it's downloading. It's only few MBs the size in the Docker container itself, so it's very fast. It's downloaded the image. Now it's running. Now it's running on the local IP, and this is the private IP of my system, and you will get a nice UI also. MinIO client is available in Go, Java, Python, JavaScript, and .NET. It's official clients. It's available the documents here itself. So I'm going to open the MinIO UI. This is the UI. So I provided the access key already there, right? So I'm using that. Just see it's the access key, and I am MinIO is the secret key. So now I entered inside the MinIO UI. So first I'm going to create, there is no repo will show here. I didn't create anything, right? So first we need to create a bucket. I didn't create any bucket. So I'm creating an image bucket here for the demo. Then the image is created here. This is the default image I created. There is so many edit profile option and delete options. You can delete the bucket here itself. It's deleted. So I'm creating again images. So most of the functionality of the API is available through the browser itself. So it's easy to load and use your own your own cloud. Now I'm going to upload some images inside the folder, upload image, upload the files. So I already have some files in my local system, so I'm just copying, selecting that, and it's opening here. Yeah, now it's pretty fast, right? It's everything is uploaded into the cloud system right now. In your server, it's fully uploaded everything. Yeah, here it will show the remaining space, used space and remaining space. Used space is 297 GB because my entire disk size itself 500 GB. I almost used it, so that's why. You can create a subfolder from here. You can create a separate folder for nature. I'm creating subfolder as a nature. Okay, you can I created a separate folder. You can upload the file here also. Yeah, one or two files I'm going to upload here. Nature. Yeah, I uploaded second file in a subfolder. So again I'm going to the root folder, I mean object folder, root. So I selected this. You can delete here itself. You can delete. There is a delete option here, and also you can delete from here, or you can share from here. It will you can share anywhere. You can defaultly 5 days, 0 hours, expiry date also, maximum 7 days expiry. You can set an expiry, and it's more secure, right? So let me just copy it, and you can open it here. So This is the path. It's like S3 object in public, right? So same case you can use it here. Uh, Next, yeah, you can delete it here. Just I deleted one file. You can delete the entire thing, and you can download also here entire folders. You can select here, download, and zip file. Download the object. You can download the object also. It's available here. You can I download that file, and you can just open it. Yeah, same image is available. So nothing will change. So, and also you can zip it, download all as a zip. You can zip it and download. That also available. And this is fully open source, so the GitHub repo is showing here, and it's almost 20k stars and everything stars. So it's most popular right now, and it's pretty fast. You can change the password here itself, and documentation is available. Then about showing the server version, MinIO server version 2019 10 12 actually. It's the latest version, and memory consumption is very less. Used memory only 5 MB and allocated to 20. Used heap 5 MB, allocated heap 66 MB, and this is the running on architecture 64 MB, 64 architecture, 64-bit architecture, and runtime version is Go 1.13. It's built on Go, so it's pretty fast. It's very powerful one, and CPU usage is 2 CPU core is used. This is the basics of MinIO server. In next video, I'll show how to store a text file, and I will explain how to use the MinIO client. This is the standalone mode of the MinIO server. You can integrate with the distributor mode also if you want to the cluster stability and everything. You need to use the distributor method. Now I'm going to wind up this. If you like, just subscribe my channel. I will do more videos on MinIO and how to use it in Python and Node.js. I will explain it. Okay, thank you.